Welcome to Bali. Hi, brother. Welcome to Bali, brother. Give me five. Woohoo! Give me five. Woohoo! Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will update how there's session at the moment in Legian Bali on Arjuna Street. Okay, guys. So if you want to know how there's session right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello, guys. Hey, today. Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay, guys. Today, I will make video in Legian Bali on Arjuna Street. Our journey today starts from the west area until to the east area on Arjuna Street. Let me show you around here. Busy over there is good. Quite busy, isn't it? Okay. Around 300 meters is a double six beach over there. But today I will make video start from west until to the east area on Arjuna Street. Let me show you how busy in this area today. Hello. Yeah, quite busy in this area. It's good. Eat with at the restaurant. Looks so busy. Early dinner. It's good. Hello. How are you? Let me show you the China. Yeah. It looks so busy. Should be good food here. You see? That's really good, isn't it? Yeah, quite busy in this area. Even in the restaurant, the is over there. Okay, let's cross the street and let's see how busy Arjuna Street today. Actually, it is quite long time I don't make video in this area. More than 1 month already. Hello. Let me check what is selling here. Happy hour 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is the menu. And usually I was busy in this restaurant. Should be good food here. Good. This for the drink. Okay. Now at least we have the option. You know the average price is in this restaurant. See, laundry is done over there is good. Okay, guys. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Legian Bali on Arjuna Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new season in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travelers Vlog. Across the street, left side, future is over there. Quite busy, isn't it? And this is BBS, also a famous restaurant. Hello! Welcome to Bali! Wow, busy inside, it's good. Future is over there. Yeah, not really bad, isn't it? I mean, like, I think more than a month ago, I make video in this area by walking, but today, I'm really happy because I can make video again by walking on Arjuna Street today. That's good. You know, before the pandemic, in this area, it's very famous for wholesale. There is a lot of shop and a lot business people from other country. They come to this area to buy a lot of things, and then they are export from Bali to their country. They import and they resell in their country. Cross street, yeah, pictures over there. Welcome to Bali. Woo. And very famous restaurant actually on Arjuna Street. We call Santorini. Let me show you how busy over there today. Actually, now it's not dinner time yet, but maybe Peter is already at the restaurant. Okay, guys. If you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Legian Bali on Arjuna Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the news lesson in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali. Yeah, maybe they are going to the beach because the weather is just so beautiful today. So clear, so sunny. Sunset will be good today. Cross Street, futures over there is good. They're just so good, isn't it? And yeah, now we are at the Santorini restaurant, as I told you, the famous restaurant in Legian Bali on Arjuna Street, and it's always busy actually. Let me show you how busy Santorini restaurant. All the trees over there. It's good, busy, isn't it? Hello. See?
And I said to her, oh,
Yeah, we can sit together at Santorini restaurant. Really busy, isn't it? That's good. And as usually, I will try to make video without skip because I want to show you the real session at the moment in Legian Bali on Arjuna Street. That's a cross street. Yeah, not so busy in this part. But I'm really happy because it's now it's really getting better. More tourists in uh, Legian Bali on Arjuna Street compared with the last month when I make video in this area. It's really more tourists in this area. That's good. Oh, some loud music here, but that's good fun. Wow, a lot of tourists here. It's quite busy, isn't it? That's good. Hello, welcome to Bali, mate. Hey, mate. Sorry, mate. Good day, mate. Good day, mate. Pretty girl. Nice, so calm in this area. It's good.
Find the helmet. Oh, it was over there.
And usually in this area, in the afternoon, what motorbike they are going to the beach. Usually, because this is the way to go to Double Six Beach. But I mean, today it's not really busy. I don't know why. Usually, always traffic jam in this area. Okay, guys. So this is our day today in Legian Bali on Arjuna Street. So what do you think? No, so bad, isn't it? Okay, guys. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Arjuna Street. And don't forget to do bell because I will always update the new session in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.